moving on. We already dealt with the first rule and the second rule, which are what? Identify the longest chain and what? Number the parent chain close to the substituent in the organic compound. Now we are looking at the third rule and the fourth rule, which is the last two rules of naming what? Organic compound. And the third rule says what? You should what? Name the substituent in the organic compound, or name the substituent in the parent chain. And the last one is what? Combine all the names together. Both the parent name and the substituent, combine them together as a singular name. Now let's get this into the practical form. Now, this is the same compound we have been using, right? Initially, we located the longest chain as this, and followed by that, we numbered it close to the substituent, which is a double bond. And we know that this is what? Hexene, right? This is hexene because it contains 6 carbon atoms. It contains 6 carbon atoms. So, and 6 is X. And because of the double bond, it is under alkene group. That is hexene. That is understandable. Now, let us look at other substituents in this parent chain. What are the other substituents in this parent chain? Look at it very well. Do we have substituents here? No. Yeah, no, yeah, no. Yes, we have a substituent here. This is a substituent. Now, what is the name of this substituent? This is from a group called what? The alkyl group. And under the alkyl group is a derivation from the alkane family. Do you understand? And under the alkyl group, we have what? We have methyl, we have ethyl, and so on and so forth. Okay? Now, for this is CH3. CH3 is what? It is methyl. So we are going to write it out. Methyl. This is, do we have any substituent here? Yeah? No. That means the only substituent aside the double bond is the methyl. Now we want to combine the methyl and the hexene, which is the fourth rule. What we just did here is to name the substituent available in this carbon chain. That is rule number 3. And the last rule, which is rule number 4, is to what? Combine the names together. The parent name and the substituent, combine them together. How do we combine them? Now note, this methyl is sitting on what carbon? Number what carbon? This is number 4 carbon. The fourth carbon is sitting on the fourth carbon. Can you see that now? So if you want to name this methyl, you're just going to write it as methyl. You're going to write it as what? 4 methyl. 4 hyphen methyl. This hyphen is very important. If you do not add this hyphen, look at it very well. If you do not write this hyphen, you will be cancelled. It means you are wrong. Write it as 4 0. Wrong. Right. You understand? The name. Do you understand that? Okay, let me quickly rub that off so that we can go to the next thing. So you now understand this is methyl. Methyl means methyl. The substituent is compound. It's understandable. Alright. Now let us combine. That's true. Let us combine the names together. We want to combine 4 methyl with what? Hexene. Now it's simple. How do you combine it? Just write it as let the substituents come first, then the parent's name is at the end. That is how to combine the names. So it's going to now be what? Let me put a slash here. Then it's going to be what? 4 methyl hexene, or 4 sorry, I don't want this to be cap. 4 methyl. Then this double bond, you know, is also a substituent. Is on carbon 1, so it's going to be 1. Do you understand? 1 hexene. Do you get that now? Then hyphen 1 hyphen hexene. I hope this space will be enough. Okay. Oh God. All right. Let me see. I'm going to manage that. Okay. Here we have it there. I'm going to write it up so that you can see it clearly. So we have 4, hold on, we have, oh god, sorry. Alright, let's leave that. So we have 4-methyl-1-hexane. This is the name of this organic compound. Do you understand that? That is how we derive. So from the row 1 down to row 4, this is how to name an organic compound. I hope you understand this. If you have any question, feel free to ask your questions. Thank you.